Hey y'all, come spend my birthday with me going to appointments. First we started off with my nails and toes. As y'all can see, I already got my nails done. Now it was time for my toes. I was turning 19 on the 19th, so I had to do gold for my golden year. Like, it just had to happen. I don't know, but that's besides the point. We got Davy here. You come to her, you gotta have tough skin because she just gonna talk mess. Like, check her out.
They can't get this free sauce.
Love her down. She be using the mess out that drill though, but y'all, I went with something simple, just some gold, little aesthetic. I ain't do too much. Like for my toes, I ain't want to do white, so I just went with something simple for the toes. But now we here at the hair appointment. Ever since I got scared out of my $30, like my $30 though, I just decided I was gonna stick to one person. So if you're looking for a new hairstylist and you in Memphis, hit Kanisha up on Facebook.
I'm not laughing. She playing with me in my face. Ain't no hope with me.
That part, like, I ain't even got the makeup on yet, and it's already eating, like, yeah. You did your little one, too. I can't lie, you did. I was feeling the style too bad, and then, you know me, I had to go look at it in the mirror, like, I look in a full view perspective, like, with it all put together. But, yeah, you see, though. After that, I went to Waffle House. The food was, I don't know, everybody getting lazy around here. I ain't even finished it, and then when they brought the waffles out, it was just take it back. Then I made it to my makeup appointment. This was my second time getting makeup, so I wasn't too nervous, only because I was getting a soft glam. If you know me, you know my first time getting makeup was for prom, and I got my face beat, okay? Don't get me wrong, it was cute. It just wasn't for me. But I knew for my birthday I wanted to do makeup, so I went with the soft look. It was giving classy. This was a different person, and I liked her. Like, she had her music playing. She was very professional. She had to lock in when I tell her it was my birthday. Like, yeah, girl, focus on getting me right so I won't look stupid for my birthday. I'm going to put her IG on the screen so y'all can go book her. People always coming for the home-based stylist, but I bet you go one time, you gonna come back. Now book that hair appointment. Don't look at them prices. Look at the work. I know y'all heard that saying, you get what you pay for. I'm just saying. Talking about these stylists charging the arm and the leg. You showing up right. Now, I ain't gonna lie. Some of these stylist prices is crazy. But some of y'all be wanting a 6-hour hairstyle for $50. Like, let's be realistic. If we was to trade spots, y'all not finna do that. And then y'all know hairstyles last up to months compared to nails and lashes that'll get you about a good 2 weeks. 3 if you careful. I go out with a bang. Every time I get my nails done, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I got hair to do. I think getting your makeup done is the most boring but peaceful because you just looking around and your eyes closed 80% of the time. I know I ended up going to sleep for a little bit, then I feel myself tilting. I had to get back up. We was coming close to the end. She was doing my lips, but baby, tell me I ain't cute. Like, just tell me I ain't cute. You ain't even gotta tell me though, because I already know. Had your girl feeling like she was made to walk up in corporate. I rarely get dolled up, so when I do, I just be taking time to like take it all in, because I already know it ain't gonna last too long. I'm just a girl. Forgive me for wanting to look good for me. At least it's for me though. I booked my appointments last minute. I ain't had number 45 minutes to get ready. They ended up giving us a 15-minute grace period. I got there right at 7:13. I wasn't gonna do for my birthday, but I ended up going to Fleming's. Very elegant, very pricey. Shout out to my friends that came to celebrate me, and also my sister. I love y'all. Birthdays will really show you your true friends. I told my crew I wanted to eat like the rich people on my birthday. We didn't know where the money was coming from, but we was gonna be broke together. Place was so high, everybody had a glass of water. But my food was good. Everybody else's stuff was a little, I don't know. They sung happy birthday and Fleming's brought me a cheesecake out. We just chilled for the rest of the night, and that was it. Thank y'all for watching this video.